The power of consistency. Consistency, it is the quiet force behind every great success. It isn't loud, it isn't dramatic, and it isn't fast. It is the simple habit of showing up, again and again, even when the results are slow, even when motivation fades, even when progress seems invisible. Today, we explore a powerful moral story about consistency. A story that shows how small daily actions can shape an extraordinary life. This is the story of Ravi and the 1% Rule. Part 1. The boy who wanted to be great. Ravi was a 14-year-old boy living in a busy town. He loved cricket, dreamed of being top in school, and wished to become good at everything he tried. But Ravi had one problem. He quit too easily. He studied for 2 days, and then stopped. He practiced cricket for a week, and gave up. He tried learning guitar, but dropped it after a few sessions. Ravi wanted big results immediately. When things didn't happen fast, he moved on. His parents encouraged him. His teachers guided him. But Ravi struggled. One day, an unexpected mentor appeared, his grandfather. Part 2. The Grandpa's Challenge. Ravi's grandfather was calm, observant, and wise. He watched Ravi jump from hobby to hobby, task to task. One morning he said, "Ravi, I see energy in you, but your energy has no direction. You want a mountain in a day, but you're not placing even a single stone." Ravi frowned. "So what should I do, Grandpa?" Grandpa smiled and handed him a notebook. "This is the 1% journal. Every day write one small action you completed. Not big tasks, not perfection, just one small step. Improve yourself by just 1% every day." Ravi was confused. How can something so small matter? But he trusted his grandfather and agreed. This was the beginning of his consistency journey. Part 3. The First Steps. Ravi opened his 1% journal that evening. He wrote, "Day 1. Studied 10 minutes. Felt too small. Almost meaningless." But Grandpa said, "Small efforts, repeated consistently, create big results." The next day, Day 2, studied 12 minutes. Day 3, practiced cricket for 15 minutes. Day 4, read 5 pages of a book. These weren't big actions. They were tiny, but Ravi started to feel proud. He was showing up even on days he didn't feel like it. The journal was building a new habit inside him. Part 4. The Moment of Doubt. After 2 weeks, Ravi felt discouraged. "I'm not seeing any big change," he complained. "I'm still slow at cricket. My marks haven't improved. What's the point?" Grandpa placed a cup in front of him. "What is this?" Ravi asked. "A cup that you must fill," Grandpa replied. "Every drop matters. You don't see the cup filling in the first few seconds. But after enough drops, the cup overflows." He continued, "Consistency is many small drops. Results are the overflowing cup." Ravi understood. He decided not to quit. Part 5. The Power of Routine. 3 months passed. Ravi looked at his journal, over 90 small entries. Some days were 5 minutes, some 20, some 30. But every day had something. His mind felt clearer. His discipline grew stronger. Consistency was slowly becoming his habit. His schoolwork improved. His memory sharpened. His cricket shots became more accurate. His confidence increased. But he didn't stop. He continued. Just like drops filling a cup, small consistent actions were building a foundation. Part 6. The Exam Challenge. Exam season arrived. Ravi's classmates panicked. Some rushed through textbooks. Others stayed awake all night. Ravi stayed calm. He didn't need to study for 6 hours a day. He had already been studying for 4 months. Step by step, page by page. His consistency had built strong roots. During the exam week, Ravi didn't push himself in fear. He simply continued his 1% improvement. 20 minutes in the morning, 20 in the evening. When the exam results came, Ravi scored the highest marks of his life. His teachers applauded him. His parents beamed with pride. His classmates were surprised. One asked, "How did you improve so much?" Ravi smiled and said, Just 1% every day. Part 7. Ravi's Cricket Journey. School success wasn't the only result of Ravi's consistency. His cricket coach noticed something. Your batting form has improved significantly, the coach said. Your timing is sharper, your confidence stronger. Ravi nodded. He had never practiced for hours, but he had practiced a little every single day. The 1% rule was shaping him into a disciplined player. At the school tournament, Ravi scored the winning runs. It wasn't magic. It wasn't luck. It was consistency. Part 8. The Plateau. But consistency doesn't always feel exciting. One month, Ravi hit a plateau. His grades didn't improve further. His cricket timing didn't get better. His motivation dropped again. He felt stuck. He told Grandpa, "I think I've reached my limit." Grandpa shook his head. "No, Ravi. You are in the plateau of latent potential. This is where most people quit, just before the breakthrough." He held Ravi's journal. "You've built a habit. You've built discipline. If you stay consistent now, your next jump will be even larger." Ravi believed him. He kept going. This time, not with excitement, but with determination. Part 9. The Breakthrough. 2 weeks later, something changed. While practicing cricket, Ravi suddenly played his best shot ever. His coach clapped loudly. "Where did that come from?" Ravi smiled. "It came from every small practice session." His exam scores also improved again. His confidence soared. His mental clarity sharpened. Slow growth had turned into fast improvement, just like filling a cup until it suddenly overflows. Consistency had delivered results. Part 10. Ravi becomes a mentor. One day, a younger boy approached Ravi. "Can you help me with studies? I'm not good at anything," he said. Ravi smiled. "You don't need to be great. You just need to be consistent." He gave the boy a blank notebook. "Start your own 1% journal," he said. "Write one small action every day. And don't miss a day." The boy nodded. Slowly, Ravi became a guide for many children in the village, teaching them what his grandfather taught him. Consistency, patience, small steps, big results. Part 11. Grandpa's Final Lesson. One evening, Ravi sat with his grandfather under a tree. "Grandpa," he said softly, "you changed my life." Grandpa laughed gently. "No, Ravi. Consistency changed your life. I only showed you the path." He continued, "We all begin the same way, with dreams, fears, weaknesses, and potential. But the people who win are not the strongest, not the smartest, not the luckiest. They are the ones who show up every day." Ravi felt tears in his eyes. Grandpa had given him the greatest gift, a lifelong habit that would help him in anything he chose to do. Part 12. The Moral. Ravi's story teaches us several important lessons. 1. Small daily actions are more powerful than rare big actions. 2. Consistency builds discipline, the root of success. 3. Results take time. Trust the process. 4. Success is not about intensity. It is about consistency. 5. The 1% rule can transform your mind, your skills, and your life. 6. The hardest part is showing up. After that, momentum helps you. Consistency is not exciting. It does not give instant happiness, but it builds a foundation stronger than anything else. Closing message. Great achievements are not built in a day. They are built in small, repeated actions, over days, weeks, months, and years. So if your goals feel far away, if your progress feels slow, if your results seem invisible, remember Ravi. Remember the drops filling the cup. Remember the power of consistency. Show up every day, even a little. Improve just 1%, even if small. And watch your life transform in ways you never imagined. Thank you for listening. May consistency guide your journey toward greatness.
Hi everyone, I am your white fairy friend. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and share it with your friends.